Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get unstuck in Expedition 33. Expedition 33 is one of the best games that have ever come out in the year of 2025, offering one of the greatest innovation of turn-based combat and unique implementations of new mechanics on the age-old genre. However, despite all that, my biggest complaint would be the abysmal platforming. Now granted, I may have exaggerated a bit, but it is a bit clunky. Clunky to the point that the developers actually made some parkour courses to torture you. One of its main downsides is getting stuck at very inconvenient locations that would leave you in a perpetual state of falling. And when this does happen to you, unfortunately, Expedition 33 does not have an option to get you unstuck at all. The only lifesaver here really would be to access your previous saves. Click onto any of the three available to you, and hopefully it places you somewhere before the event of you getting stuck happened. If you go back to a previous save where you get stuck, then I'm not quite sure how to help you with that. And that's about it on how to get unstuck in Expedition 33.